Good morning all, it's Saturday the 7th of April and I've decided to make a start on the seed preparation. So the tunnels, you will have noticed, this is the garden tunnel, isn't as tidy as normal. I may well need to get rid of some stuff later or have a rearrange, but for now I've got it set out to get the seeds going because it's getting a bit late. Well, it's not really late, but late for me. So as you can see, this year I'm going to be using these trays, and then I'm going to put my seed trays inside, and the idea is that when I water, there'll be water in these trays and it can come up from the bottom, and at times when I'm struggling a bit it may help. See, as you can see, I do have plenty of oh, it's starting to rain. I do have plenty of seed trays and cells, so I'm preparing for both sowing direct. Some of my dailies will be going straight into these. That's all set up. Now, what was I going to say? I've forgotten what I was going to say now, folks. I'm going to say something. I have got so many varieties of seeds to sow dahlias to sow this year. In fact, I suppose what we could do, let's just take these away because these are right. Let's lay them out so you can see. You won't be able to see these little ones very well, but just to give you an idea. And there's another 2 lots here. So 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 12 different varieties of dahlias, and I've also just found a few more in this box. I thought I had some more seeds, I put them in this ice cream container last year. Well, might have been the year before. So I'll probably grow some of those as well. So yeah, I'm quite excited about that. So I'm going to do a bit each day, I hope, and so this year it's going to be about dahlias, but about flowers in general in the garden. So that's the plan so far. Okay, so I'll be back another time when I start the actual sowing. Okay folks, bye for now. Okay folks, well, I've started doing some sowing. I know I've not filmed it, but I just thought I'd tell you what's been happening. I've done some various types of dahlias in here. Each one of these has got 2 trays in, half trays. So I've done 8 half trays. So we've got some with dahlias, we've got some with Rebecca, we've got poppies, different poppies, and that's as far as I've got so far. But it's good to just have that little break and just to switch off from the worries at home. Okay, bye for now.